told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Hello my lovely beautiful people, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video and I hope you guys are doing super awesome. Welcome to my channel, and I'm going to say again, if you're watching this video today, if you click on this video and your intentions is to watch this video for under 3, 4, 5 minutes, please click off this video right now. These views are not helping my channel to be monetized. And if you are watching, may I please ask that you watch that you watch the videos to the end, because according to my analytics, the views of my channel is just a few seconds, and that is really hurting my channel. And this is not how I watch your videos. I'm always gonna start my YouTube channel by saying this to you guys. So I would really appreciate it if you will watch the videos to the end, because I watch all of your videos to the end before I make a comment. So your support is meaningful to me. I do appreciate it. So I'm heading out to the dollar store and I'm going to show you guys what I got when I come back. Let's go.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
So I'm done shopping at the dollar store. This is my basket right there, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I'm just gonna go and pay now. Let's see the damage. Pay. Okay, I have returned. This is my bag of stuff. Hope you guys can see that from the dollar store. This is a brand new dollar store that just opened in our neighborhood, and it is fantastic. Okay, it is huge. You can spend the whole day in that store. So let me show you guys what I picked up. These are just forks, because in my office we always run out of forks and knives because we're always eating in our office. So I figured why not just take an extra set of cutlery, and again those are forks only. And this is dishwasher liquid. I usually use the Dawn dishwasher, which washes my dishes perfectly, but you know, my dishes would know the difference, right? And this is just $2, so I picked that up. I just picked up a toothbrush holder for my bathroom. The one that I do have right now, I just want to change it, so I'm just going to be using this one, and this was only $2. Okay, just a simple white toothbrush holder. And these are multi-purpose wipes. I picked these up from the dollar store, and you know, they're similar to the Lysol ones, right? It's just like this is just like the generic multi-purpose wipes. And I also picked up an eyelash adhesive. So we are going to see if this is going to work. And this is the one that's clear, but it dries, it's clear white, but it dries down to a black. And this is it. So I just want to see if this is going to work. Let's hope. Okay. Pick that up, and this was $2. You always need sponges, dish sponges. You always need some of these. Okay. And this, of course, was $2. And these are lights, you know, these little socket lights. I like these at nighttime. When the lights are off, you get that little hint of light coming from the wall or from the bedroom. And you know, you guys know these things, right? Picked up a couple of those, and these were $2.75. Not bad. I did not pick up anything for $1 in this dollar store. Just saying, it's a dollar store. I did not pick up a thing for $1. And these are a couple of glasses. I think you guys would have seen these glasses in the video. I have 2 of them. I didn't really want to pick up too much. I find that they're really cute. They're $3 each. For a dollar store, it's expensive. Just saying. Okay? Just a couple of drinking glasses for when you have the friends come over. I've actually broken 2 of my glasses. So I thought, let me just get an extra 2. And you guys saw me looking at the rug. And I want to change the rug in my bathroom. So I know the cupboards in my bathroom is brown and stuff like that, and it's a cream color on my wall. But I figured this blue rug would be nice, and this one is $14, which is not bad. Again, everything that I picked up, not one thing for $1. Okay? So this is the size of it. It might be just a little bit too long. Hope you guys can see that from end to end. It's quite long. So rather than having the 2 mats, like one in front of my toilet and one in front of my actual vanity, I might as well just put one of this down, which is going to be fine. And or I can just put this in front of my door as well, but we'll see where I will put this and where it's best suited. But yeah, this is not bad. It's blue. I didn't really want to pick up the one that's brown. It's going to make my bathroom look a little too dark, but just to give my bathroom just a little bit of light, I think this one would be really good. So yeah, these are all the things I picked up from the dollar store. I got the rug. Again, 2 socket lights. Okay, you know about those already. I picked up a couple of glasses. Okay. The sponge. This is a multi-purpose wipes. Some cutlery. This is just forks. Dishwasher detergent. The toothbrush holder, and this is the adhesive. But I didn't really see a lot of makeup things like you would see in the dollar store. But it still had quite a few things, and it's a huge, huge store. You can spend the whole goddamn day in that place. Anyhow, so these are the things that I picked up from the dollar store today, and I'm gonna definitely go back and pick up a few more things another time. And of course, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Your thoughts and your comments are always appreciated. My name is Odette. Thanks for watching. I shall see you next time. Toodles!